Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone else you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 62. We start with this column. Looks like we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. Don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. We look at this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 7. 2 here, so 6, 7. 2 here, so 6, 7. That means the only place our 2 can be in that row is here. For this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 1 means this is our 7, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. And that 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column, we're only missing a 1. For this box now, looks like we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 9, no help here, 5, 8, 9, and no help here, 5, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 6. 6 and 7 here, so that makes this our 3, 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9, but we've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. That 3 makes this our 9. And now with this 9, we can get rid of this 9. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this top row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 9, 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.